Mkurugenzi wa elimu katika eneo bunge la Webuye Mashariki, Paul Rono, ametaka wasimamizi wa mitihani ya kitaifa inayoendelea ya shule za upili kusimamia mitihani hiyo kwa kufuata sheria, akisema kuwa wale watakaoenda kinyume na sheria za usimamizi wa mitihani watachukuliwa hatua. Rono amesema kuwa watainiwa 1464 wanakalia mtihani huo katika eneo bunge la Webuye Mashariki.
Strictly pack candidates' answer scripts and counterfoils in respective return envelopes as provided. You utilize all the return envelopes. Some people sometimes may use a few of the envelopes if the learners are many, yet there are several of them. Ensure you go by the number that is designated to be packed in those return envelopes. And then the envelopes containing counterfoils should not be packed with scripts, but must be handed over to the SED separately for return to the NEC alongside the respective answer scripts. So for those absent candidates, in case there is any, it should be returned back to the container to be taken back to NEC without removing the counterfoil.
Kamishna wa kaunti ndogo hiyo Peter Yegon amehoji kuwa hali ya usalama imeimarishwa vyema, akisema kwamba idara ya usalama inashirikiana na ile ya elimu kuhakikisha kwamba mitihani hiyo inasimamiwa vyema.
Kcse is a serious business. Everybody is for, including yourself, including myself. If I visit your station, I will hand over my phone, be kept there, so that we show by example that we are doing the right thing. At our officers wetu hapa, and should there be any officer who refuses to give out that phone, can you inform us? We shall remove that officer as fast as possible. Acha kuja aende huko station asome simu yake huko. But within the vicinity of the examination center, all of us must, including yourselves, must keep that phone there. Bora tu ni mtu wako hapo karibu na kusikwe na cook anabebana na simu huko. It defeats the purpose. Yeah, so everybody within that vicinity must keep that phone there. I think we will ensure that that one is done. Otherwise, let us carry out this the way we have been doing. I was saying the other time that we've been around for some time.